This video is day 23 in the 30 Days of Code challenge. The name for this challenge is BST Level Order Traversal. I have a very similar video which I uploaded last year, and in that tutorial I explain in detail what is level order traversal and how it works. For this solution, I'll go briefly through the code. Before we do that, let's understand what we need to do. We need to complete a function which is provided in the editor so that it prints the level order traversal of the binary search tree. In this challenge, they give us some code. So here they have the headers, and notice that they have a queue header. That's because it's common to use a queue when we want to visit the nodes in a binary tree using level order traversal. In the predefined code, they have this node class. Every node will have some data, as well as a left and right child, and by default, these are going to be null. Then they have this solution class with the insert method to add nodes into the tree, and then inside the main function, they create a solution object, a root node. Then here they build the tree, and then finally they call the level order method which we need to complete. This here is my solution. First here I create a queue of node pointers, and then I check if the root is not null. I want to push that root into my queue. If the root is invalid because it's null, then this will not run, meaning that our queue is going to be empty and this loop will never run. Otherwise, if the root is not null, then this queue will not be empty. So we're going to get a reference to that node, then print the data inside that node, which is at the front of the queue, then remove it from the queue. And then if that node has any left or right child, we're going to push them into the queue. So at the next iteration, we'll check again, is the queue empty, and repeat that process. And that is basically the algorithm for level order traversal. So let's run this code. We've passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. We have 3 test cases and we are done. So that's it for day 23 BST level order traversal. If you like my solution, please subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you next time.